Hi guys, so I will do this video and then we'll carry on with it tomorrow. So we are doing the Airbus 320 real quick. We'll try and do it very quick. Oh, I didn't know already yet. So Greater Rockford to Mellor, or maybe just Greater Rockford to Greater Rockford. So yeah. So Airbus 320, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 20.
Here's a number between 1 and 20. It's 2.
Air Canadian also has Air Canada. So we've been basically having different airlines. First we had Lufthansa. No, not Lufthansa. SAS. And then we had Korean Air, and now we're having Air Canada. Fortunately, we did miss out on the EasyJet. What's the English one? I think that was British Airways. I'm not quite sure. I'll carry on with this tomorrow after my school. I've got school tomorrow to Thursday. So I've got school until Friday. Will be the last day. I can tell I'm an airline something. I used to be a trainee in other videos, but now I'm just gonna start taking off. I need to always after this video. I mean, that would have literally just broken the plane. Real life wise, the plane would be broken. Whew. Hope it's better. Please don't stall. If I stall, no, I'm gonna land. I'm gonna land in the grass.
Stall.
How am I stalling while landing? Well, I was already landed anyways. We're gonna lower down the speed. That's it. That is Air Canada done. Also the Airbus 320 done. Bye.